Hi, I have with me Dr. Ruma Chakravarti. She's from ESRI India. She presented in front of the jury in the Smart City category. Welcome, Dr. Rumi.
Thank you. Thank you.
Dr. Rumi, something about yourself, how long you have been with ESRI India, your association with the company.
Okay. My association with this company is not very old. I am 1.5 years old here. But I have been in GIS industry for around 18 years. And I have been using this platform of history from that many years only.
So the solution you presented in front of the jury, how was it? How something about the solution, about the product, how welcoming was the jury?
Okay. Uh, First thing I would like to tell you that in smart city domain, we have, means many people must be having a query that what smart city is. Basically, what is smart city? So there are several controversies. नहीं ये smart city नहीं होगा, smart city हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है, and how it is going to change the life of people. So it is majorly about that thing, that how it is going to change the life of people. For me, a smart city is a smart city when the things are made for the public and to the public. Okay, when people are using the components, when people are smart. And what is people are smart? People are smart means they are aware, they are knowledgeable. And ESRI platform is providing lots of spatial information. Spatial information means maps. Maps and its usability in such a way that people can use it for their own knowledge base. And when people are aware, a city is smart. Similarly, for the administration. Today, if you imagine a city, what's the problem majorly with the city? Cities' problems are because they don't have a common decision-making platform. There are multiple departments, there are multiple authorities, they have their own database, some of them have manual processes, some of them have some top 5 database which are not integrated with each other, which are not talking to each other, and they are not talking to each other because there is no common platform where they can integrate. So spatial maps provides that integrating platform. Okay, so this is a platform where a set of database are coming, set of database which are converted into information, and information is converted into a knowledge base, and that knowledge base is helping you in taking decisions. So it's a decision, finally a spatial decision making process which is being enhanced due to those set of maps. Now when you look into the solution, you have a large number of administrative boundaries, you have statutory boundaries, the police jurisdictions are there, the health jurisdictions are there, health districts are there, okay, then there is eco-sensitive zones are there. So when I am doing a planning, I need this. What is my master plan? And where the eco-sensitive zones are? What is the airport authorities decisions regarding the height parameters of building? So all those data are accumulated over one platform of GIS, and that platform is also cognitive because you can see all those information along with the attribute informations of that. There are health centers are there, banks are there, ATMs are there, police stations are there, schools are there, hospitals are there. All the ICDS data is getting integrated with that. The health data from Anganwadis are getting integrated over a platform. So tomorrow when the administration wants to take about any information, any decision about the spatial allocation of resources, suppose I have to open up new government schools where I should focus upon. That type of decisions can come when you have already a distributions of the schools. Okay, so that is the innovation. Then we are doing a planning. Initially what happens in planning in our country is that, okay, our organization is collecting some of the base maps and they are creating a planning, but they don't have a whole lot of information that is there. No one can think about that I have to take the airport authorities approval before creating a building. So we have integrated all those informations along with transport route, all the utility lines are there. The town planning schemes which are coming up in future, futuristic models are also involved into that. So this is going to make, and now all the departments talk to each other. Now this solution is already running in the Bhubaneswar command and control room. And in that command and control room, these different departments can look into those solutions and take a joint decision. So it's a decision support system.
Thank you, Dr. Ruma. What are the challenges that you face during the innovation process?
Okay, the challenges are same as the case goes on for every city. It is the same when we initially begins. People say ki theek hai, we have taken a GIS, but we don't have data. So how to take up that data? First you create that platform. First create that means where the data can come up. Then when we talk to them, yes, there are several data. So the data slowly starts flowing in. There may be several errors in the data, but once it has started coming to the platform, once you create it over the platform, then only you can think of modification of that. But first you have to accumulate all those data and put over a platform. From there we have to begin the smart city. From there we have to start thinking in a smart way. So that is the roadmap. That was the first milestone of smart city. When even the PMC was not created, in several cities wherever I visit, people say कि smart city में पता नहीं हमें क्या करना है. So they will look to the PMC कि हमें क्या करना है. And then they will think कि, but they don't know कि where to start with. So we are giving them where to start with. So this is the current situation. Your pipeline network has been covered till that location. So where to cover now? Next. Where to put over the cameras? Where to put over the environmental sensors? So we have given them the first milestone. So every city has a problem of this data communication. हम दूसरे department से data कैसे मांगेंगे? So we have provided them the platform and now they are integrating. Now the people are thinking, yes, we have data. We can integrate with this platform. So that was the major challenges. And this is how we are trying to overcome the challenges in most of the cities where we are working.
Wish you all the good luck.
Thank you.
ESRI India is participating for the second time. Last year you were the winners. How you feel coming to the platform again year after year?
See, one thing I would like to tell about ESRI, that how ESRI is different from several of the companies in the world. Whatever revenue we generate, 60% of it again goes into innovation by the ESRI US. Okay, so we are continuously upgrading our platform to integrate different solutions. As today we are more looking into big data and the AI platforms. So we are doing our entire research focus in the area of big data and AI integrations. So there we are doing research. We continuously want to upgrade as well as educate the Indian diaspora about how the GIS can be used in the best possible way. Because GIS is still niche in compared to other data. People think GIS only as mapping. No, GIS is a very big thing. Mapping is just, although it takes 60% of effort in mapping, but then the major thing is that 40% which will do the spatial analysis, which can create the knowledge base for the people.
So that means we are expecting more innovations from ESRI year on year, next year as well.
Yes.
Dr. Ruma, any words of wisdom you would want to share with our viewers who are watching you?
We would like to first of all wish everyone best of luck. And second thing is that, see, technological innovations has to come up if we have to take this country ahead. And although India is among the top countries in soft technologies, but we have to innovate more towards what the societal needs are, rather than following up what other peoples are doing. So the necessity is more towards our people, what type of technological innovations can bring their life standards up. That is my, and Graham Bell is doing a great job in that they are inviting the technical people from different fields, different domains. I could see large many solutions there. The health solutions especially I like a lot. It shows that the innovations are coming up. The startups are making new innovations. And so I think all this will make the things change.
Thank you, Dr. Ruma.
Thank you.
And we wish the entire team of ESRI India all the good luck for the title.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.